Welcome to this overview of the Infineon TLI4971 Shield2Go Industrial Current Sensor Kit. The kit will help you get started on designs employing Infineon's new TLI4971, which extends the company's portfolio of coreless current sensors. The new sensor, available with ratings to 120 amps, relies on a Hall-based magnetic sensing principle with an integrated current rail to offer a small footprint, resulting in an overall system size reduction. In addition, it relies on a differential measurement principle to enable it to robustly resist stray magnetic fields. Furthermore, an ultra-fast analog output path offers a bandwidth of up to 120 kHz. Paired with two programmable overcurrent channels, the current sensor is a perfect fit for industrial applications such as motor drives and inverters. The TLI4971 Shield2Go kit consists of three main building blocks: a sensor board equipped with M4 screw connectors to support high currents up to 20 amps incorporates the TLI4971 current sensor. An adapter board in the company's Shield2Go format can be connected to the sensor board via printed circuit board edge connectors. The adapter board accommodates the sensor application circuit and peripherals, as well as a pinout compatible with Infineon's XENSIV microcontroller unit platform. The final building block of the kit is a package containing M4 screws, a printed circuit board edge connector, and male and female pin headers. For more information on Infineon's TLI4971 Shield2Go Industrial Current Sensor Kit, and to learn more about what makes Infineon a world leader in semiconductor solutions that make life easier, safer, and greener, visit avnet.com/Infineon-Industrial 2023.